So in that case, you can get total 1000 cards, free debit cards with cashback rewards, and this card works for PayPal and for free trial. You are getting debit cards completely free, and there are huge cashback here. You get 1% cashback on your uses. After that, 2% cashback. So if you see here, whenever you spend $1, that gives you cashback instantly. So that's a plus point for us. When we boost a Facebook or YouTube, during the boosting time, they give the cashback instantly 1% or 2%. So it depends on card that you take. The cards have flexible fees, instant card issuance, and good support. So overall, they provide everything. Anyway, let's discuss how to get cards from here and how to use them in details. But before that, please give a like on this video. Next time I will bring more videos about the cards. So subscribe and stay with me. Okay, let's sign up here first. I'm going to sign up. I'm entering email here. Then entering a password. After that, checking I am not a robot. Then just click sign up. So my sign up is done. It's very simple. Save it. This is the interface. When you create an account, you can see this. So let me show how to use it, how to get cards. Before that, let's look at the interface. You can deposit the dollar here by USDT, BTC and USD. For deposit here, go to add fund. Then you can deposit here. For getting the card, first you need to complete the verification. Here's the verification. So there are few verification process level. When you go to basic verification, you can take only one card. Just one card is allowed, and there's a monthly limit of $5,000. That's basic verification. I will show how to do it. For getting this, you only need your name, personal information like address and date of birth. That's enough for basic verification. After that, for advanced verification, you will get an exchange limit of $20,000. Card funding limit per month is $2,000. You will get 5 cards here, and for this you will need passport, NID and KYC documents. Then there are infinity, that means unlimited. You just need face verification with KYC. In that case, you can take up to 1000 cards, and your limit is higher, $250K per month. So you can work with advanced verification without issue. I will leave site link in the description. You can join here. Now I will complete a verification. My ID card is far away, so I am doing basic. Here's my country name, Bangladesh. The billing address, first name, last name, date of birth. After entering, the basic verification is complete. So on every payment, you will get 1% cashback, and you can issue a card for free. Look, in this package, you will get 2% commission. That means cashback, and card issue is free. So if you check second package, 2% cashback. Here are no setup fees, and on every spend, you will get 2% commission. For example, if you spend $1,000, you will get $2 free. Also, you have option to choose BIN. Here Visa card, MasterCard, and below it mentioned in which field this card are accepted. So if I take MasterCard here, click add. Then just go to continue. It's ready to use. So my card is ready to use. You can deposit any amount here. Suppose I deposit $10, it charges 6% extra. Above $1,000, it is 5%. Above $5,000, it is 3.75%. Then just continue. After deposit, it will done, and you will see everything related to the card here. So that's all for today. Hope you liked the video. If you did, Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe the channel.